It's Buick Saturday. What am I going to get done today? I hope more than last time. Let's get after it. One of the goals for today is get some more pieces put on the old firewall here. I do plan on putting in the heater core today. I also plan on doing some restoration work on the brake, parking brake. I'm going to work on that today and hopefully get it installed also. Looks in pretty good shape. Not going to see much of it, but I'm going to repaint this part. I found some paint that's almost a perfect match. Look at that. Alright, let's get after it. Well, I went and did it. Threw it in the old bead blast cabinet. Detailing something that most people will never see again. But I will, and I'll know it's done. So let's get her masked off and get some paint on this thing. Well, I got one light coat on the gray areas. Everything else is going to be cleared because it was bare metal. Give it a quickie, little light coat. I'll let that sit for a half hour or so, give it another coat. We'll let that dry, and then I'll hit the whole thing with a semi-gloss clear, and that'll be done. Well, isn't that the prettiest thing you'll probably not really see much of ever again? It sure looks good. I was able to get the parking brake mechanism installed. That looks pretty good. I got my heater box installed with some of my vent tubes. However, there's a little bracket right back there where that bolt is, and it's a little angle bracket. It's supposed to go to that clamp to hold that up. Unfortunately, that was not in my inventory that I just recently did, so I have no idea where that little bracket is. I went and looked at one bid, and it's a pretty simple little bracket, so I might have to make that. I got the cable run through there. I got the rubber boot, but I'm not going to put that in right away. Heater valve. And we got this part of the box in. So that's looking pretty good. So other than that, I gotta find that little bracket or make one. But it's coming along, and it's looking pretty good. And I'm starting to route my vacuum lines. That's how they were on the original, my original photos. I'm kind of not going to tighten anything up yet. Super tight, just kind of lay it in there as I go along, and as it all looks good, I'll tighten her up. The heater box is tight and all that stuff. So we're getting there.